Ladies and gentlemen, Selamat datang and welcome aboard this journey through the historic city of Malacca, Malaysia. We'll be cruising through centuries of culture, rich heritage, and mouth-watering cuisine. So please sit back, relax, and enjoy the ride. As we make our descent into the heart of Malacca, you'll notice the vibrant blend of Portuguese, Dutch, British, and Peranakan influences. Founded in the 14th century, today it is a UNESCO World Heritage Site, known for its colonial architecture and colorful streets. On your left, you'll see the iconic Stad Thijs, the oldest Dutch building in the east. And just beyond that, the vibrant Jonker Street, where history meets hipster in a bustling night market full of flavor and flair. Please ensure your seatbelts are securely fastened as we travel back in time. Coming up ahead is a Famosa, a 16th century Portuguese fortress. What remains today is a single stone gate, Porta de Santiago, standing strong against the passage of time. And if you glance to the right, you'll spot St. Paul's Hill, where missionaries once preached and history lingers in the breeze. Now that we're at cruising altitude, it's the perfect time to talk about food. Malacca has many tasty dishes from different cultures. Our in-flight meal recommendations include chicken rice balls, Nyonya Laksa, Asam Pedas, and the ever-famous Sendal, best served sealed with a view of the Malacca River. Don't forget to catch a cultural performance or visit the Baba and Nyonya Heritage Museum to fully experience the rich Peranakan traditions. For your comfort and relaxation, we recommend a scenic cruise along the Malacca River, best enjoyed at sunset, when the city lights begin to twinkle and the colonial facades come alive. Or take a gentle stroll along the Malacca Straits Mosque, floating serenely above the sea, especially magical during golden hour. As we prepare for arrival, we'd like to thank you for joining us on this journey through magical Malacca. On behalf of our captain, history, and our crew, culture, and cuisine, we wish you happy travels until we fly through another destination together. This has been your tour with Project L Airways, where history takes off.